Wow, every day I learned something new. This morning I got up and the furnace was running, but the blower was not. Well, this afternoon when the technician came out, found the problem right away. Thank goodness I turned the furnace off immediately because the filter was stuck in the blower. Yikes, huh? I learned some other things when talking to the technician too that I'm going to be sharing. I actually decided to get several videos going just to let you know household hints and things that might help out with keeping your home safer and saving money, and just the things I've learned across the way. Many homes, many places, everything from commercial to residential, and it's about time I started sharing it with you. So here's the first one. Don't buy cheap filters. The furnace is a 2012, but the filters were here when I bought the house, and obviously not the best one to use. Watch for more videos.